This polar bear jumped up into the car. This baby elephant is enjoying a bath. These two lions are getting airlifted in a private jet. Look underneath the branch. Check out these huge clams. This huge whale is casually swimming under these surfers. The evolution of a snail. This volcanic eruption is slowly engulfing everything. This is how crocodiles swim. This is a self-defense mechanism used by geckos. This waterfall in India is experiencing strong winds. Check out this crazy cloud.